Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make greetings cards in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to basically create our account in Canva. So if you haven't created your account yet in Canva, you could easily do that. So click on the top right of your screen to create your account, and you could even use your already existing Google account to create your account. But since I already have my account here and already logged in, we are now ready to start creating our design or our greeting cards. So the first thing is we need to be familiarized with how Canva actually works. So with Canva, it's going to give you different suggestions on what to create. So you might want to try creating these sections here. So currently, these are the previous designs that I've used as well. So if you want to make a very specific one, which is in this case greeting cards, you can go and click on create design here, and the search functionality should now be available to you. Now from here, let's go ahead and say greeting card. And from here, it's going to say group greeting card, teacher greeting card, and a lot more. They also have the card option here, greeting folded card if you want to use that. So there's different top formats that we could use. But in this case, we want to maybe use a birthday group greeting card here. Now from here, we could go ahead and wait for it, so it's going to load up. And the good thing about greeting cards here in Canva is you could actually use templates that is already existing in their website. So if you're not a creative person or you don't have that a creative mind, well, Canva is going to be really helpful. Now in this case, maybe we want to use this design here. Go ahead and click on it, and it's going to be automatically applied into your greeting card. Now in this case, if you want to change this, you could go ahead and click on that specific template, and that will be automatically updated. Now from here, since we chosen our design here, let's go back into this one. Just to give you an example. It's going to give you this option here. You could also change the template style if you want to. So let's go ahead and shuffle this one until we see a appropriate one that we want to use. Oh, by the way, you could go ahead and go to elements as well and choose other elements that you want to add. So let's go back to design here, and from here, yeah, you could go ahead and shuffle the colors as much as you can. But yeah, since this is, let's go ahead and shuffle this one more, and yeah, so from now we want to use this design here. So as you can see, when I hover over on different section here, it's going to give me that specific highlight. So it means a specific element is now being highlighted. So meaning any of the sections here that's being highlighted is changeable. Now in this case, if I click on it and press and hold on it, I will be able to reposition it. As you can see, I'm pressing on it and changing the location. Now in this case, you could go ahead and do that on everything here. Now in this case, we could go ahead and click or double click on the text here, and we'll be able to change of happy birthday here, but we want to retain that since we were creating a greeting card here. You could also double click on the name at the bottom here. Now for example, you want to say the following, and we want to also change the image itself because this is not the person that we want to greet. Now, in this case, we want to go to maybe the section for upload, since this is where we upload our images. As you can see, there's a lot of images that we could use here. I've already uploaded them. By going back, if you want to upload an image, you could go ahead and go to your folder here and basically upload them. For example, I have this image here, or a surprise face here. Now maybe we want to use this image here. So let's go ahead and press and hold on the image, drag it into section here. It's going to be automatically uploaded. Now in here, if you want to use an image, you could go ahead and just drag it into the section here. But the cool thing, or the unfortunate thing here, is it's not going to be fully integrated into our card. So the cool thing about the section or adding images here is you could actually replace a section here on your images. So it's going to automatically adapt to your design without you any changing the other elements. So in this case, let's go ahead and press and hold on it. As you can see, the image itself is going to give you a preview, and we are able to change the image itself when you drag it into that specific element. And from here, as you can see, we are now good. Now, if you want to add other elements as well, like for example, you want to maybe click on this one if you want to animate it, but since this is just a greeting card, animation is not needed. You could also change the color if you want to as well. Like for example, change this to like lighter, choose a very specific one. Maybe you want to make this as red or pink. But yeah, now from here, for you to share this to other people, you can go ahead and click on the share at the top right. From here, you could also click on the copy link. Also, you could also change this to anyone with link, copy link, and just share this to other people. If you want to have a downloaded version, click on the download version here, choose your file type, click on download, and your download should now start shortly. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yellow App. Thank you for watching.